Hi, it's Linda Risch, Counselor Realty. It's a busy day at my open house at 37305 Eagle Court in North Branch. And I'm going to show you guys inside real quick. It's going to be fast. So you walk into this foyer, and there's a coat closet right there. There's no furniture here, so I brought a lawn chair to sit in. But open living room, dining area, kitchen. I love that it has the door right off the garage, the three-car garage, because it's easy bringing your groceries in then. It's got beautiful ceramic tile, extra wide hallway, and here's one bedroom. And another bedroom. Linen closet, two linen closets in this hallway, and a beautiful full bath with really nice tile. Very nice. And this is the primary suite. And the primary suite bathroom with a step-in shower. The sellers never got around to installing the tub here because they couldn't make up their mind if they wanted to put a washer and dryer there instead, or the tub. So that's left to the buyers to decide what they want to do. It's on 1.08 acres. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. Basically, it will be. And here is the big walk-in closet. Spacious, and everything you need possibly on the front, on the main floor here. And then downstairs we've got 2 bedrooms that need some finishing touches, and a family room, a storage room, a bath that's completely plumbed, ready to finish. I love that it's got, daylight lookout windows, so it's nice and bright and dry down here. The floor in here is just concrete, but I tell you what, it is warm on my feet. This is a huge family room. And then another bedroom. Actually, I would love to make this into an office. It'd be great to have a little office somewhere downstairs where you can concentrate. This is the full bath, so it's all roughed in, ready to go. Just needs to be done to your specifications. And storage under the steps. Look how wide this hallway is. That's just so nice. Spacious house. And this is like a storage room. I guess it could be an office or a craft room. And then a nice sized laundry room. They haven't had to put a pump into the collection basket there because they just haven't had enough water to meet that ever. So, and then the mechanicals are in here. So that's it. This is 37305 Eagle Court. The area that it is in is called Eagle's Nest. It is a preserve, so there will never be anybody building behind here. And there's walking trails. Sometimes they use them for ATVs. And it's just really a gem. And it's kind of like up on a slight hill. It's not a big hill, but it's raised. It's like a palace basically, and we're asking $349,900. It's in North Branch, Minnesota. My number is 612-290-7607. You can give me a call anytime. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.